Welcome to the Sugar Detox program. Today, we will be focusing on assessing your current sugar intake. It is important to understand where sugar is hiding in your diet and how it may be affecting your health. By tracking your sugar consumption for one day, you will gain awareness and insight into common sources of sugar in your daily routine. Now, let's get started. Step 1. Tracking your sugar consumption. Take out a pen and paper or just use an app to record your sugar intake for the entire day. Start with your meals and snacks. Write down all the food and beverages you consume, including the quantities. Pay close attention to ingredient lists on packaged foods and beverages, as they often contain added sugar. Don't forget to include any sweeteners you add to your food and drinks, such as sugar in your coffee and or tea. Be thorough and honest with your tracking. Remember, the goal is to assess your current sugar intake accurately. Step 2. Identifying common sources of sugar. Once you have completed tracking your sugar consumption for the day, review your list. Look for common sources of sugar in your diet. This can include sweetened beverages like soda, energy drinks, fruit juices, and flavored waters. Packaged snacks and desserts such as cookies, candy, granola bars, and ice cream. Processed food like sauces, dressing, ketchup, and condiments that often contain hidden sugars. Sugary breakfast cereals, pastries, and baked goods. Sweetened yogurt, flavored milk, and other dairy products. Added sugar in coffee, tea, or other beverages. Take note of any surprising sources of sugar that you may not have been aware of before. Step 3. Importance of awareness and understanding. Understanding your personal sugar intake is crucial for maintaining a healthy lifestyle. Excessive sugar consumption has been linked to various health issues, including obesity, diabetes, heart disease, and dental problems. By becoming aware of the sources and quantities of sugar in your diet, you can make informed decisions about your food choices. Being mindful of your sugar intake empowers you to take control of your health and make necessary changes to improve your overall well being. Remember that not all sugars are created equal. Natural sugars found in fruits are different from added sugars in processed foods. Differentiate between the two and prioritize whole unprocessed food. Congratulations on completing day one and tracking your sugar intake. By becoming aware of the common sources of sugar in your diet, you are taking an important steps towards making healthier choices. Tomorrow, we will discuss strategies to reduce your sugar consumption and provide alternatives to satisfy your sweet tooth. Keep up the great work, and I will see you on day 2.